Are you really frustrated? About to quit your job? Well, stop, think, and listen to this at least once, and then decide. Why do you really want to change your job? There are multiple reasons behind, but if your reason is money, which is probably the reason for most of the people, then please think about it twice. But what if you can earn that extra bit of amount with a side hustle? Then do you still think you need to change your job? It takes years of dedication, hard work to establish a position in a company. And you want to leave all of them just because of the money. Do you think just justified? If not, then think about a platform where you can share your knowledge. Because at the end of the day, if you change your job, you're going to do that same thing. You're going to share your knowledge, your experience with another team, with another organization. Why don't you do that, sticking to your current organization? And you can benefit others, you can do some also social work, and you can also earn money. I always say, knowledge is wisdom. That's absolutely true. But on the other hand, knowledge is also a commodity. Think about it. It's an intangible asset that you can use to provide services and earn money. So are you ready to do that? I believe you can, because if you're sticking to your current job, you'll be able to manage your work comprehensively. And that will allow you to save time for yourself to upskill and also utilize your day offs by sharing your knowledge and earn money at the same point of time. So you can fulfill your deficit by working during your week offs. How does that sound? Well, I'm going to provide you one particular platform through which I'm actually sharing my knowledge. See, this is not a sponsored video at all. Nobody has told me to create this particular video. I'm doing it because I want to share and I want you guys to get benefited. So are you guys ready to find out? Well, you will find out the name of the platform over here on the right section. This particular platform is a renowned one and you can rely on it. So you're going to ask me, hey, how can you say that? Have you earned some sort of money through this particular platform by sharing your knowledge, your views, your innovation? Well, I wouldn't have recommended that if I wouldn't. You might get more money in another organization, but you might not get everything which you are getting right now. So think wisely. Choice is yours. But yes, you can definitely use the link which I have shared in the description box, and you will also be able to find it out in the comment section as well, which I'm going to share. And try to register yourself by using those links. Those links are for referrals. So you can use it, you can get yourself registered, and you're gonna definitely make money out of it. If you are doing a job for money, think about creating multiple income. Don't quit your job unnecessarily. Psychosocial. Break the barriers.